Nobody's touching the mouse. Green goes down the second it shows, and the red ones sit there, untouched. By the end of this video, that's your bot. Most screens have more than one of the thing you want, and something that looks almost exactly like it right next door. So this build is really 2 skills: clicking every match in one pass and telling twins apart. Here's the honest problem. The mole and the decoy are the same disc. Same size, same shape, same little rim. And when QHuman matches a picture, it works in grayscale. Shape and brightness, colour thrown away. 2 discs that differ only in hue end up looking almost the same. So don't hand it a picture, hand it a colour. Pixel colour matching hunts for one hex value on screen. The mole's green and nothing else. Red isn't a near miss that scores low. It never matches at all. Get the board up and running first. Press space to start it, then D so the decoys read on. A bot that never meets a decoy proves nothing. Then over in QHuman, click New Detection and give it a name. Whack-a-mole. Open detection in the left rail and it's already picked under Macro. Click Add Step and name this one Sweep. It lands on the canvas wearing a start badge, and that is the whole flow. 1 step. We're going to keep it that way. Double-click it. Under Do On Entry in Order, click Add Click. Now the field that matters. Find. Change it from Image to Pixel Color. Click Pick Color and take the green straight off a mole. Color tolerance and minimum area can stay exactly where they are. Green and red are nowhere near each other. Now the trap that catches everyone. Look above the board. That score number is painted in the exact same green as a mole. Same hex, 46 pixels tall. Turn this loose as it stands and it will very happily click your own scoreboard. So tell it where to look. Tick Limit Detection to a screen region. Click Select Region on screen and drag a box around the 9 holes. Nothing else. Lookalikes aren't only beaten by what you match, they're beaten by where you look. 2 fields left. Click point on the match already says Center, which drops the click in the flat middle of the disc. And Offset stays at 0 and 0. And which matches ships on Best Match only. 1 mole a pass, while the rest sink back down. Switch it to every match on screen. That 1 drop down is the difference between Whack-a-Mole and Whack-a-Mole eventually. Click OK. As it stands, the step refires as fast as the machine allows, which is pointless and faintly deranged. Click Add Advanced, choose Wait a Random Moment, and give it 0.2 to half a second. Enough to breathe between sweeps. And a step runs once, then stops, so send it back to itself. Under Then, go to the next step, click Add, set Go to Step to Sweep, and move on to Always. Click what's there, wait a beat, look again. That's the entire bot. 1 step pointing at itself. Before it clicks a single thing, hit Try It Dry Run. It reads the live screen and boxes what it would go for, without touching the mouse. Greens boxed, reds ignored. That's your green light, and it costs nothing to look. Reset the board, start it up, and set it going. Score climbing, moles going down the moment they show themselves, and decoy hits sitting on 0, while roughly 1/3 of what pops up is a trap. That 0 is the whole result. Want proof the colour is doing the work? Point it at the red instead. Same bot, same region, 1 field changed, and now it whacks every decoy and scores absolutely nothing. Perfectly obedient. Completely wrong. Control plus Alt plus S puts a stop to it. And that's it. 1 colour, 1 region, 1 looping step, and a bot that never takes the bait. Next up, detection conditions. Every kind of thing a step can watch for, and how to tune each one so it fires exactly when you want. See you there.